Imagine you finally get the ultimate futuristic toy mansion. You stand in your room feeling like a total winner. But suddenly, invisible glowing cords wrap tightly around your wrists. You realize this huge toy comes with expensive batteries and price tags. Instead of playing, you are scrubbing the floors just to keep it clean. A year passes, and your piggy bank has a gaping hole. Your friends show up wearing flashy, high-tech glowing capes. They point to a fancy holographic theme park they want to visit. You spend all your money just trying to fit in with them. Your brain tricks you with a tiny zap of dopamine. But really, you are trapped inside a giant golden hamster wheel. The faster you run, the more your life becomes a blurry smudge. It is Sunday afternoon, and you sit on a velvet sofa. Despite the luxury of the dream house, you look completely miserable. A glowing red calendar reminds you of all the work on Monday. You are trapped by the very walls you worked so hard to buy. But there is someone playing a much smarter game. Meet Clara, who lives in a simple, cozy apartment building. While others buy giant robots, she puts a single coin in a safe. She looks at her glowing green bank statement and feels totally peaceful. Because true wealth isn't about buying the biggest toy house. True wealth is having no schedule at all. You sit on a park bench in simple clothes, completely free. You just watch a small blue bird on a branch for 22 minutes. An elderly man named Jiro sits nearby, whittling a cedar flute. He teaches you that the exit to the maze is just a quiet mind. You look at your hands, finally free from the heavy glowing cords. The big toy house didn't make life better, it just made you tired. Jiro hands you the wooden flute to try. He reminds you the best things cost nothing but the air in your lungs. You blow a soft note, and the blue bird chirps right back. Far away, the city mansions look like jagged teeth against the sky. But your simple melody drifts clearly through the sunset. Clara walks by the park, and completely unburdened. As purple twilight falls, the glowing city lights start to fade. You realize that when you have nothing big left to maintain, you finally have the time to actually live. The heavy mansions fade away, leaving only the vast, quiet stars.